It's simple to add some basic animation to InDesign. So I'm on this page here, why should I try them? And I have our little bunny holding a no animal testing sign. And what I'm going to do is open my animation panel. So I have my little bunny graphic here. I'm going to click on it so that it's active. And he's in the final position that he's going to be in. And all I need to do to add a simple animation here is to come up here. Um, Here's my preview window. This is the name of the graphic. It's a grouped graphic, and that's why it's calling it group. I could change the name if I wanted to. The preset here, I'm going to click down, and I'm going to choose fly in from the right. So you're going to see that it builds this path of movement. And so this is where the graphic is going to start, and then here's where the graphic is going to end. I can change the page load time if it's on click or on rollover, which is pretty cool actually. And then I can add a different time. I could loop it, but that would be a little silly. And I'm going to leave everything sort of as it is. If I pass my cursor over this window, it's going to show me a preview of it. I'm going to close this now and see the real preview. I'm going to open the EPUB interactivity window. It's set for page. I'm going to press play. It's going to load the page. Look, oh, it's adorable. So next up, we're going to do a page with some multiple animations and see how you do that.